I'm Adam Martin. I'm the Manager of Technology Services for the Office of Digital and Design Innovation here at the Broadcasting Board of Governors. USIM Direct is a recast of the current VOA Direct product service that will expand to include all the different entities and language services that are a part of U.S. international media, while allowing each of them to maintain their individual brand identity and communicate more effectively with their affiliates around the globe and distribute their content to them using internet protocols as opposed to traditional satellite methods. There are a lot of challenges in delivering high quality, broadcast quality audio and especially video content over IP. The idea of moving files of large sizes across networks has many challenges, especially when we consider our affiliates in many remote areas of the world where bandwidth penetration can be an issue. One of the things we're working on is to further integrate our broadcast production tools with our digital publishing platform tools and make it a more efficient process for our producers at the various language services to get content from one system out into another and distribute it to our affiliate partners. So with the new service, we're looking very closely and taking strides toward tightening that integration, again, between our broadcast systems and our digital publishing systems, as well as working with some of our third-party transcoding and delivery partners to use cloud services, again, to distribute out that load and make it a much more efficient process for managing those large files, encoding them into the appropriate formats for our affiliates, and then publishing them out to those affiliates and allowing them to access them through a browser-based web application via FTP or HTTP methods, really simplifying it, really making it easily accessible for those affiliates on the ground to use IP-based methods to access the high-quality audio and video content that they can then use both in their broadcast systems and also online as well. It's going to allow a lot of opportunity for the various entities and language services to have a greater depth, we hope, of communication and conversation with the affiliates, and really open up a two-way street there to allow our language service content producers as well as our programming people and marketing people and our analysts to all be involved in that conversation and engage with the affiliates to really understand what their audience needs are and what the best content is that we can provide to them. So with the new product offering, we want to make it easier for, again, for those producers, those analysts, those marketing reps, those affiliate reps to communicate out to the affiliates, and also allow a level of communication for the affiliates back to those individuals to share with them the types of programming that resonate most with their local audiences to help inform what it is we do here within the BBG and what kind of content we produce that we highlight that we want to distribute to our affiliates to get that type of response and raise that engagement level all the way through the chain from our producers here to the programming people, to the program managers at the affiliate level, out to their audience. For them, again, it's a way to access a lot of the high quality audio and video content that is produced by VOA, MBN, OCB, RFA, RFERL, and bring that into their in-house production systems to either broadcast through traditional means out to their local audience, but also using their digital product offerings as well. The focus of the direct service is going to be on offering up high quality, broadcast quality audio and video content and making it accessible to those affiliates who don't have access to satellite, which has been historically our primary means of distributing content to affiliates around the world. So in areas of the globe where access to satellite service is either not available or not effective for any number of reasons, IP-based delivery is often a solution there, a low-cost, efficient solution for those affiliates to be able to access this content to use in their systems and get out to their audiences. I think from a purely technical standpoint, you really want to make sure you're working with the right group of partners who have the infrastructure to help you meet those goals, especially if you're talking about an international, a global network of affiliates where the challenges there of moving large amounts of data, large content, large audio and video files out across the network in a very timely way, in a most efficient way. You need some good partners who have that capability and who have that distributed network to help you do that. So finding those partners up front is going to be very important to the success of any kind of project like this. I think getting involvement all the way around from all your customers, all your stakeholders, and having a very collaborative product development process is really important. I think also, we're fortunate here in that people who are part of the teams here, all the way up and down, from a purely technical side to the producer level, have a really good understanding of what the workflows are from a content production standpoint. So they're neither just purely technical or purely audio and video producers, but have a good understanding of the entire vertical. And so we can make smarter decisions about what those workflow efficiencies should be and develop a better product in that way as well. So, that advice would be identify who your best partners are, who your team is going to be early up front, and then use them. Take advantage of them and the knowledge that they have and allow that to help shape the direction of your product development. And that'll lead you in a good direction.